2018 Shelby 1000 Luxury Sportcar 1200 horsepower. The new generation of the Shelby 1000 has arrived during Sema week at Shelby American's Las Vegas production facility as a 1000 horsepower package available for any V8 Ford Mustang built from the 2015 model year on. The road course-focused beast features track-tuned suspension, bodywork and brakes, plus a new supercharged V8. The previous generation's Shelby 1000, based on 2012 through 2014 model year GT500s, was based on the 5.8-liter engine that made 1,200 horsepower, so the new version is actually less powerful. A spokesman tells Autoblog that the 5.8 liters is no longer available and that the output will be higher than 1,000 horsepower. Shelby also says the current generation Mustang is more complicated than the previous platform, making the new Shelby 1000 an entirely different car.